Hello friends, so this is second part of the third chapter series. अभी तक हमने प्री हिस्ट्री, प्रोटो हिस्ट्री, चारकोलिथिक टाइम्स देखा. नाउ वी हैव कम टू एंशियंट हिस्ट्री. एंशियंट हिस्ट्री में हमको रिटन रिकॉर्ड्स which are deciphered and written. We got those records from various sites in Madhya Pradesh. नाउ टाइम पीरियड की बात करते हैं. द टाइम पीरियड फॉर एंशियंट हिस्ट्री ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश इज कंसिडर्ड सेम एज दैट ऑफ इंडिया. लेकिन जो तीन इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स हैं दैट डिस्टिंग्विश हिस्ट्री ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश फ्रॉम द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया आर एज फॉलोज. कौन कौन से? एब्सेंस ऑफ ग्रे पेंटिंग वेयर्स. हमारे यहाँ से ग्रे पेंटिंग वेयर्स नहीं मिले हैं. कंसिडर्ड एज द एविडेंस रिफ्लेक्टिंग द बिगनिंग ऑफ आयरन एज. तो आयरन एज की बिगनिंग में जो ग्रे वेयर्स देश के दूसरे हिस्सों से मिले हैं वो मध्य प्रदेश में नहीं मिले हैं. चारकोलिथिक साइट्स कंटिन्यूड 600 BC तक दैट ऑलरेडी एंडेड इन नॉर्थन इंडिया एज अर्ली एज 1500 BC. तो नॉर्थ इंडिया में दूसरी जगहों पे 1500 BC में चारकोलिथिक साइट्स के एविडेंस नहीं मिले हैं. हमारे मध्य प्रदेश में 600 BC तक मिले. इफेक्ट ऑफ मेगालिथ कल्चर फ्रॉम साउथ इंडिया यहाँ पे मिला है. ठीक है. फिर एज ऑफ मेगालिथ देखते हैं 1700 से 1000 BC. द लार्ज टॉम्स ऑफ स्टोन फाउंड इन साउथ इंडिया आर कॉल्ड मेगालिथ. बड़े बड़े जो स्टोम्ब मिलते हैं उनको मेगालिथ कहा जाता है. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट एक्सकवेटेड सम स्ट्रक्चर्स सिमिलर टू मेगालिथ इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स रीवा एंड सियोनी. आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को जो स्ट्रक्चर्स मिले हैं दे आर सिमिलर टू मेगालिथ्स इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट रीवा एंड सियोनी. बिगनिंग ऑफ आयरन एज इन मध्य प्रदेश 1000 BC identical to that of India. The Iron Age in MP also began in the near about 1000 BC. Evidences of iron use in Madhya Pradesh mainly discovered from Chambal region. आयरन हमको अधिकतर चंबल रीजन से मिला है. भिंड, मुरैना, श्योपुर, ग्वालियर. मॉडर्न नेम ऑफ एंशियंट सिटीज. मॉडर्न नेम ऑफ एंशियंट सिटीज विराटपुरी, महिष्मती. विराटपुरी का नया नाम है सुहागपुर. महिष्मती का महेश्वर. इंद्रपुर, इंद्रप्रस्थ का इंदौर. कुंतलपुर, किंडिया. उज्जैनी, उज्जैन. भोजताल, भोपाल. धार नगरी, धार. बारहुत, रीवा. अंचरा, सतना. काकव्या, कोकणबूट इज सांची. फिर इसके बाद इन नाम को बार बार पढ़ना पड़ेगा तब आपको याद होंगे. विराटपुरी, सुहागपुर, महिष्मती, महेश्वर. इंद्रपुर, इंदौर. कुंतलपुर, किंडिया. उज्जैन, उज्जैन. भोजताल, भोपाल. धारा नगरी, धार. बारहुत, रीवा. अंचरा, सतना. काकव्या, कोकणबूट, सांची. Vedic age 1500 से 600 BC. Vindhyachal was crossed in later Vedic age by Aryans to step into MP. Effect is mentioned. Aitri Brahman about Nishad tribe settled in dense forest of Madhya Pradesh. Aitri Brahman में Nishad tribe settled in the dense forest of Madhya Pradesh. According to Aitri Brahman, all the 50 sons of Vishwamitra settled in Malwa, followed by Parasar, Bharadwaj, Bhargav. That time, Nag dynasty was ruling over Narmada territory. Nag dynasty was ruling over Narmada territory. Ikshvaku king Mandhata sent his son Purukush. मानधाता ने अपने बेटे पुरुकुश को हेल्प करने नाग डायनेस्टी को भेजने अगेंस्ट गंधर्व. पुरुकुश चेंज द नेम ऑफ द रिवर फ्रॉम रीवा टू नर्मदा. पुरुकुश ने चेंज किया था नाम रेवा से नर्मदा. मिथ है अनुश्रुति बेस्ड. Some myths are based on Puranas and epics, provides important information about kings and kingdom, reaching to different parts of the state as follows. According to Anushruti myth, the last Manu Vaishwat, during this time the world faced a very crucial flood, has sent 10 sons, out of which one was Karush, who founded a kingdom named as Karush state in present-day Bundelkhand. region, and his dynasty was started as Karush dynasty. फिर है चंद्र डायनेस्टी, अल किंगडम. Al Empire was named after Ela, the daughter of Manu, married to Som of Chandra dynasty, whose empire was extended to Bundelkhand. El Empire was named after Ela, daughter of Manu, married to Som of Chandra dynasty, whose empire was extended to Bundelkhand. Yayati dynasty and El kingdom. Som, Chandra or Purua had two sons, namely Ayu and Amavasu. सोम के दो बेटे थे. ययाति डायनेस्टी के सोम के दो बेटे थे, अयू एंड अमावसु. किंग अयू सक्सीड्स हिज फादर सोम. The third generation after Ayu gave a birth to great king Yayati. Yayati married to Devyani, daughter of Saint Shukr and Bhargav. He married to Devyani, daughter of the saints Shukr and Bhargav. El Empire was named after Ela, the daughter of Manu, married to Som of Chandra dynasty, whose empire was extended to Bundelkhand. Yayati dynasty and El kingdom. Som had two sons, namely Ayu and Amavasu. King Ayu succeeds his father Som. The third generation after Ayu gave birth to great king Yayati. Yayati married to Devyani, Shukr and Bhargav. ठीक है. अब यदु डायनेस्टी में ययाति डिवाइडेड हिज एम्पायर अमंग 5 sons. Son Yadu became the king of north, which included the valley of Chambal, Betwa, Suktimati, Kane. This region was known as Yadu state, followed by Yadu dynasty. फिर है मनु वैश्वत. मनु वैश्वत के एक बेटी थी ईला एंड 10 बेटे थे. ईला का हस्बैंड था सोम एंड करुष had 10 sons. Karush the son among the 10 Karush dynasty. फिर सोम जो था ईला का पति, उसके अमावसु और आयु दो बेटे थे. आयु से आया ययाति. डिवीजन ऑफ एल किंगडम इन 5 parts. फिर है दंतवक्र फाउंड द दतिया. Dantavakra, after he lost against Sri Krishna, shifted to Gopalgiri, Gwalior, and his name was also changed as Gopal Kaksha. Ikshvaku dynasty में Dandakaranya state. Ikshvaku, the another son of Manu, was the recipient of Dandakaranya Bastar region, where he founded a strong state. Mandhata is Chakravarti Samrat, was the greatest king of this dynasty. Mandhata चक्रवर्ती सम्राट was the greatest king of this dynasty. फिर है Ahaya dynasty, the grandson of the king Yadu, founded Ahaya dynasty. It is the present Nimar, खरगोन और खंडवा वाला जो region है. Ahaya dynasty, Ahaya dynasty. King Mahishmat of the dynasty captured a fort and it names as Mahishmati, Maheshwar. Kartavirya Arjuna, Sahasra Arjuna, the greatest king in Ahaya dynasty, is supposed to have thousands of arms and hence was called as Sahasrarjun and Sahasrabahu. He conquered the whole earth completely and sacrificed many yagya rituals. He also defeated the king Ravan of Lanka. Kartavirya Arjun or Sahasra Arjun को greatest king in Ahaya dynasty and is supposed to have the thousands of arms and hence was called as Sahasra Arjun or Sahasrabahu. He conquered the whole earth completely and sacrificed many yagya rituals. He also defeated the king Ravan, Lanka. King Avanti, Jayadwaj, son of Sahasra Arjun, ruled over Malwa for some time. His grandson Avanti founded a new capital named after him as Avantika. King Avanti forced Yadav, the ruler of Vidisha, to vacate the region. MP under epic age. Various places, regions and their roles in the history of MP are illustrated in the epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. According to the mythology, Tulsi Dasji received the blessings of Lord Rama in Chitrakoot. MP under epic age. ये सवाल आता है कि एपिक क्यों? एपिक मतलब अलग अलग ग्रंथों के हिसाब से. लॉर्ड रामा क्या कर रहे थे? वनवास काट रहे थे दंडकारण्य बस्तर में और महाकौशल और बेसिकली महाकांतर बस्तर सीजी एंड कालाहांडी कोरापुट उड़ीसा. Ravan kidnapped goddess Sita and took her to his state Lanka. This Lanka is assumed to be located near Jabalpur or Amarkantak. Goddess Sita has given birth to the twin sons Lavkush in the Balmiki ashram or residential school. This ashram is assumed to be located at the bank of river Tamsa in Ramayana, which is originated from Amarkantak. Later on, Kush ruled over the South Kaushal, जो कि छत्तीसगढ़ है, while Shan Bhuti, son of Shatrughan, ruled Vidisha. These time, a tribe, Nishad, was ruling over a state located in the forest of Satpura and Vindhyachal. After the end of Treta Yuga, Ramayana age, Dwapar Yuga started with a war of Mahabharat. Some states of Madhya Pradesh took part in the war with opposite sides. States of Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand regions supported the Pandavas. These states were Vats, Kashi, Chedi, Karush, Dashran, Matsya. Some states of the MP took part in the war with opposite sides. States of Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand regions supported the Pandavas. बुंदेलखंड और बघेलखंड ने पांडवास का साइड दिया. इसमें काशी, चेदी, करुष, दशरन, मात्स्य ये सारे रीजन इंक्लूडेड थे. मालवा रीजन सपोर्टेड कौरवा. अरे यार, मालवा ने कौरवों का साइड दिया. दीज स्टेट्स वेर माहिष्मती, अवंती, भोज, विदर्भ, अथंक, निषाद एंड वृष्णि. द मेन सिटीज ड्यूरिंग महाभारत वेर महिष्मती, उज्जैनी, कुंडलपुर एंड विराटपुरी. कुंडलपुर क्या था और विराटपुरी क्या था, यहाँ पे हमने पढ़ा था. कुंडलपुर वॉज किंडिया एंड विराटपुरी वॉज सोहागपुर. ठीक है. सो फिर इसके बाद आता है महाजनपदा. महाजनपद एज में क्या हुआ? In the last period of Vedic age, there were almost 13 Mahajanpadas. This period was known as Mahajanpadas age. Among 13 Mahajanpad, Chedi, Bundelkhand and Avanti Ujjain belonged to Madhya Pradesh. Chedi Mahajanpad was extended to the eastern part of Bundelkhand, Shaktimati. One of its branch was in Kaling, Odisha. The king Kharvel was or famous king of Kalinga, Shishupal. Shishupal, the king of Chedi dynasty, was beheaded by Lord Krishna. Thereafter, Chedi dynasty became weak. Magad captured it. Avanti में क्या हुआ? Achyut Gamini in Buddhist literature. Achyut Gamini in Buddhist literature, located in the western part of MP. Avanti was a strong empire among 16 Mahajanpadas of contemporary India. Geographically also, Avanti was a big kingdom and was governed under two parts. Uttar Avanti, Ujjain. Dakshin Avanti, Mahishmati. South Avanti. So Avanti क्या है? Achyut Gamini in Buddhist literature, located in the western part of MP. Avanti was a strong empire among the 16 Mahajanpadas of contemporary India. Geographically also, Avanti was a big kingdom and was governed under two parts, Uttar Avanti, Ujjain, and Dakshin Avanti, Mahishmati, जो कि महेश्वर. Avanti, Ujjain, Maheshwati, Kurardhar and Sudarshanpur were four famous cities, perspectives of which were praised in Buddhist literature. फिर है चंद्रप्रद्योत. चंद्रप्रद्योत was famous and powerful king of Avanti. Lord Buddha, King Bimbisar was contemporary to Pradyot. Pradyot was expert in domestication of elephants. Bimbisar, the Magad king, sent his Ayurvedic physician Jivak to Avanti for the treatment of Pradyot, who was suffering from jaundice, Pandu disease. The successor of Bimbisar, Ajat Shatru, had constructed a new strong fort at Patliputra. बिंबिसार के सक्सेसर थे अजात शत्रु, जिन्होंने पाटलिपुत्र में एक नया फोर्ट बनाया था टू डिफेंड अगेंस्ट द पॉसिबल अटैक. प्रद्योत की जो मगध के थे प्रद्योत जो मगध पर अटैक करने वाले थे, मगध में पाटलिपुत्र है जहाँ पर फोर्ट बना गया था प्रद्योत से बचने के लिए। एट लास्ट जो शिशुनाग है, एट लास्ट शिशुनाग ए मगध किंग defeated the Nandivarman king of Avanti and Avanti became the part of Magad empire. Later on King Palak, son of Pradyut, captured Kaushambi Vatsa as mentioned in the परिशिष्ट पर्वन हेमचंद्र सूरी। परिशिष्ट पर्वन जो कि हेमचंद्र सूरी ने लिखा है, उसमें लिखा है कि जो किंग थे पलक, जो कि प्रद्योत के बेटे थे, उन्होंने कौशाम्बी को कैप्चर किया। फिर उसके बाद नंद डायनेस्टी 350 बीसी में महापद्मनानंद ऑफ नंदा डायनेस्टी आया मगध में, ऑक्यूपाइड चेरी जनपद एंड एक्सटेंडेड इट्स रूल इन द एंटायर स्टेट। Let's talk about the Mauryan dynasty. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य मगध किंग थे जो कि रूल्ड ओवर सौराष्ट्र, मालवा एंड अवंती। इनके प्रोविंशियल गवर्नर ऑफ सौराष्ट्र थे पुष्यगुप्त वैश्य, हु बिल्ड अ सुदर्शन लेक बिल्ड किया एंड मेंशन्ड इन द, ये सारी जानकारी कहाँ मेंशन है? गिरनार इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ रुद्रदमन, गिरनार इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ रुद्रदमन। फिर बिंदुसार वॉज अपॉइंटेड अशोका एज द गवर्नर ऑफ अवंती राष्ट्र। अवंती में अशोका को अपॉइंटेड किया गया, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव यूनिट था मगध राज्य का। अशोका परफॉर्म्ड 3 टास्क एज ए गवर्नर ऑफ अवंती। सबसे पहले तो मैरिड महादेवी, daughter of Shaka Vaishya, resident of Vidisha. Some referred her as a local princess known as Vidisha Devi. फिर इसके साथ साथ ही कंस्ट्रक्टेड केन, जिसको हम स्तूपा कहते हैं, उज्जैनी में वैश्य टेकरी के नाम से जो फेमस है, फॉर द प्लेजर ऑफ हिज क्वीन महादेवी। फिर अशोका एज ए किंग ऑफ मगध कंस्ट्रक्टेड सांची स्तूप, which is highest in the country. He was sent to Takshila twice to crush down the revolts against Sushima. Ashoka ने as a governor of Avanti took part in the battle of successor of मगध के सक्सेसर की लड़ाई में शामिल हुए अशोका। And at last Ashoka killed 99 brothers, a Buddhist myth to become a Mauryan king. बुद्धिज्म में ये एक अफवाह की तरह है कि अशोका ने अपने 99 भाइयों को मारा। 5 अशोकन एडिक्ट्स इन मध्य प्रदेश हैं रूपनाथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट कटनी, पंगोररिया सीहोर, गुर्जर दतिया नेम अशोक इज एम्बॉस्ड ऑन द एडिक्ट, एंड सारो मारो सीहोर। सांची में रायसेन में है, रूपनाथ कटनी, पंगोररिया सीहोर, सारो मारो सीहोर, गुर्जर दतिया में। अशोका's नेम अपीयर्ड इन गुर्जर अशोक देगनामी एंड पियादासी। फिर पंगुरोरिया एडिक्ट्स में पियादासी नाम लिखा हुआ है। मॉन्क्स केव्स हैव ऑल्सो बीन फाउंड इन सारोमारो सीहोर डिस्ट्रिक्ट। त्योंथार रीवा, सम पार्ट्स ऑफ द स्तूपास ऑफ बुद्धा पीरियड स्कैटर्ड इन द रीजन हैज बीन डिस्कवर्ड। त्योंथार रीवा में है, ठीक है। फिर लेटेस्ट मौर्यन एज 200 बीसी से 150 एडी, शुंग, सतवाहना, इंडो ग्रीक और अदर्स को देख ले रहे। शुंगा डायनेस्टी 187 से 75 बीसी रूल किया, 187 से 75 बीसी। किलिंग द लास्ट मौर्यन किंग बृहद्रथ, द पुष्यमित्र शुंग फाउंड शुंगा डायनेस्टी इन पाटलिपुत्र। दे वर ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम उज्जैन वेयर दे सर्व्ड अंडर मौर्यन, ठीक है। अग्निमित्र जो कि बेटा था पुष्यमित्र शुंग का, अग्निमित्र अपॉइंटेड एज अ गवर्नर ऑफ विदिशा। कालिदास स्टार्टेड हिज करियर फ्रॉम हिज कोर्ट वेयर ही रोट हिज फर्स्ट टाइटल मालविका अग्निमित्रम, ए ड्रामा ऑन द लव स्टोरी ऑफ अग्निमित्र एंड मालविका। According to the Malvika अग्निमित्र defeated यजन सेन, king of विदर्भ। फिर है बागभद्र, इंडो ग्रीक किंग एंटियाक्लेडियस सियालकोट सेंट हिज एनवॉय Heliodorus to the court of Bagbhadra. Heliodorus assured Bagbhadra about believing in Vaishnav religion, hence requested him not to attack on his estate, Takshila. Heliodorus declared himself as the devotee of Bhagavad religion, Param Bhagavad, as mentioned in the Besnagar Vidisha based Karun inscription, Khamba Baba. फिर शुंग rulers also took interest in constructing a corridor around Sanchi Stupa Cain. Shung also constructed the corridor around Barhat Stupa Satna में. शुंग ने बारहत स्तूप सतना में भी बनाया एक कॉरिडोर. Almost lost, but some part of it is now conserved in the Prayag Museum. This stupa was discovered by Lord Cunningham in 1875. फिर है कन्वा डायनेस्टी. कन्वा डायनेस्टी 75 बीसी से 40 बीसी. लास्ट शुंगा किंग देवभूमि was killed by Vasudev to form Kanva dynasty. Kanva replaced the Shunga in Patliputra, but they had no importance in the history. Satvahana dynasty 40 BC से 300 AD. Satvahana, a South India ruling powers founded by Simuka and Pathan, replaced the Kanva, but they took very little interest in North Indian politics. Satvahana king Shatkarni conquered the eastern Malwa as inscribed on the pillar inscription at Sanchi. Some coins embossed with Sirisat have also been collected from the region. The greatest Satvahana, Gautami Putra Satkarni, 106 से 130 AD, defeated a Shaka ruler of Ujjaini. He issued various coins in Ujjain named as Satkarni. Another Satvahana is Vashishtri Putra Pulumavi. Initially succeeded to continue his occupation over the conquered territory, but later on the greatest Shaka king Rudradaman defeated him completely. Rudradaman got his daughter married to Pulumavi and re-established the Pulumavi in his estate. Some coins of Satvahana king Yajna Shri Satkarni also have been discovered from some sites in Devas and Vidisha. 3 phrases appeared in Garud inscription are: salvation can be realized by 3 main practices: dam control, dam or basically control, tyag, अपरामाद which is unanimity. अपरामाद ये चीज़ें पढ़ना पड़ेगा कहीं और से, यहाँ पे शायद गलत लिखी हुई हैं. Jatak stories and some life incidents of Lord Buddha appeared on the top of the Sanchi Stupa. Shal Bhanjika standing women idols and Gajlakshmi idols are engraved on the Sanchi Stupa. Satvahana dynasty issued coins made of potin, silver, cadmium. Potin coins have been collected from Tewar, Tripuri. Satvahana was the first dynasty who launched some land grant system Agrahar in India. इंडो ग्रीक में क्या हो रहा है? 200 BC से 50 BC तक है. वन ऑफ द इंडो ग्रीक स्टेट हेडक्वार्टर्ड एट सियालकोट was led by Demetrius. Demetrius attacked on the Patliputra and his successor Menander Milind attacked in MP, as his coins collected from Balaghat districts reflect the fact Nagarsen converted him into Buddhism. Coins of contemporary Roman rulers have also been collected from Awara, Mandsaur. Shakas in MP. Shakas were originated from Central Asia, entered India into 50 BC, replaced Indo-Greek rule from western part of India. Shakas captured almost all Indus plain and created a Kshatrapa system of rule over there. Indus island में Mahashatrap, Punjab, Mathura, Ujjain and Nasik. शाकास मध्य प्रदेश में 50 BC के आसपास मिले. इंडो ग्रीक रूल को रिप्लेस किया. शाकास कैप्चर्ड ऑलमोस्ट ऑल इंडस प्लेन्स एंड क्रिएटेड क्षत्रपा सिस्टम. फिर उज्जैनी क्षत्रपा जिसको हम कर्दमाक डायनेस्टी कहते हैं. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट अमंग्स ऑल 4 क्षत्रपास वेर द उज्जैनी क्षत्रपा सिस्टम ऑफ उज्जैन वॉज फाउंडेड बाय आइदर Yashomithik or Chastin. This dynasty was known as Kadramak dynasty. Rudradaman, the greatest among all Shakas kings, was the Rudradaman. He was an eminent scholar of Sanskrit language. He was the great warrior, defeated Vasishtiputra, Pulmavi Satvahana, but after his surrender, he returned his entire state and also married his daughter to Pulumavi, re-innovate the Sudarshan Lake, a pond in Saurashtra, Gujarat, as mentioned in his Girnar inscription, the first Sanskrit inscription of India. He issued silver coins with date description, first time in the territory. Rudrasen or Rudra Singh, the last king of not only Ujjain but for all the Shakas, Rudrasen was killed by Chandragupta Vikramaditya and thus Shakas were completely eradicated. Charahat dynasty, Nasik mein, this dynasty has some relevance to the history of MP. Nahapana of dynasty attacked and succeeded in capturing some parts of MP. Some reissued currency carrying his name have been discovered from Jagalthambi and Shivpuri. Kushan dynasty and MP. Kushan were basically originated from the western part of China and entered India while following Shakas. After subsequent struggle against Shakas and Indo-Greeks, Kushanas ruined the Indo-Greeks completely but could not have eradicated the Shakas from India. Kushana's presence in MP can be realized in terms of continuous struggle against Shakas and Varshiv Padmavati. The presence of Kushanas in the state can be observed with following references. They continued in the cultural part remarkably. Coins of Kanishka, Hovishka has been discovered from Shahdol and Harda. फिर Kushana king Vasudev coins have been collected from Tevar near Jabalpur. According to Sanchi pillar inscription of Madhukar, Kushana king Vashishka built a large idol of Lord Buddha. From Beda Ghat, Jabalpur, two Buddhist inscriptions has been discovered contemporary to Kushana. Sanchi में historically Sanchi ancient name is Kakanubot or Kakanya has been place of Shaiva community. Later it became famous site of Buddhism. General Taylor discovered all the monuments, stupa inscriptions of Sanchi. During Mauryan period, three stupas cairns constructed here, which is Mahastupa, very big in size. Mahastupa over the teeth residue of Lord Buddha. The other two small stupas were built on the teeth residue of Sariputra and Mahamoggalian, disciples of Lord Buddha. All these stupas are constructed of bricks and surrounded by wooden corridors. The pillar inscription of Ashoka carries an ordinance by which he ordered the Buddhist followers to avoid the split in Buddhist Sangha. फिर इसके बाद आता है मालव ट्राइब एंड मालवा. मालवा ट्राइब एंड मालवा कब आया जाता है? 200 से 300 एडी. इनिशियली पंजाब में सेटल्ड थी मालव. मालव ट्राइब वॉज फर्स्टली हाईलाइटेड व्हेन दे अटैक्ड अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट. जब अलेक्जेंडर पे अटैक किया तब पहली बार सामने आई, जब अलेक्जेंडर मैकेडोनिया से वापस आ रहा था. अलेक्जेंडर वॉज इंजर्ड सो सीरियसली दैट ही डाइड विद इन ए मंथ. अलेक्जेंडर इस दौरान इतना जो मतलब परेशान इंजोर्ड हो गया था, जख्मी हो गया था कि वो उसके बाद उनकी डेथ ही हो गई. It is an assumed historical fact that Malwa tribe migrated from Punjab and settled in Malwa during 200-300 AD. They founded their rule over the region and this region later was known as Malwa. Coins recovered from this region depict the fact about their republic type of governance. Panini mentioned the Ayudhjivi as another name of Malwa tribe. Panini mentioned the Ayudhjivi as another name of Malwa tribe. फिर है नाग डायनेस्टी. नाग डायनेस्टी का क्या सिचुएशन है? बृषनाथ फाउंड द नाग डायनेस्टी इन विदिशा. कॉइन ऑफ बृषनाथ रिकवर्ड फ्रॉम विदिशा. इनिशियली नाग हैज़ बीन रूलिंग ओवर मथुरा. ठीक है. फिर इसके बाद देयर वर टू कैपिटल्स ऑफ नाग डायनेस्टी. Padmavati and Krantipur. Ruler Bhimnag shifted his capital to Padmavati or Pavaya, the present day Padam Pavaya. Padmavati is identified with Pavaya, Padam Pavaya. 9 kings ruled over there. They bagged Shivling and their shoulders therefore were called as Bhar Shiva. Nagsen or Ganpati Nag of Padmavati were contemporaneous to Samudragupta. Ganpati Nag of the dynasty fought against Samudragupta and lost his empire to him. lost his empire to him. The Chandragupta Vikramaditya, in process of re-establishing the relation, married to Kubarnag, a daughter of Nagvanshi ruler of Mathura. Nag had marriage relation with Gupta Magdha Vakatak MP. Princess Kubarnag was married with Chandragupta II. The daughter of Bhavnag was married with the son of Vakatak king Pravarsen I. Bodhi dynasty Tripuri 300-400 AD. Ruling over Tripuri, Tevar near Jabalpur, we are informed about four rulers of Bodhi Vansh, namely Shri Bodhi, Vasu Bodhi, Chandra Bodhi, Shiv Bodhi, based on the coins collected and carrying their names. Magh dynasty is Bagelkhand 200 AD. Magh state was located to southeast of Padmavati, Nag's capital. It was confined within Bagelkhand. The first known Magh ruler is Vashishti Putra Bhimsen. His son Kotsi Putra Potshiri was ruling from his capital Bandhogad. The coins collected from Bagelkhand depict the fact about Magh Vanshi rulers ruled over region, in particular Bhimsen, Bhadramagh, Shivmagh, etc. Magh dynasty successfully fought against Kushana and saved the state. Gupta dynasty and Madhya Pradesh. Gupta emerged as the supreme power in India during the 4th century. The Gupta rulers who had connections with the MP were Samudragupta, Bhangupta, Chandragupta II, and Skandagupta. Samudragupta. Three important facts associated with the Samudragupta in connection of MP are as follows. Aran inscription क्या कहता है? According to Aran inscription, this city was known as Swabhav Nagar of Samudragupta, consumable by Samudragupta only. Prayag praise or basically Prayag Prashasti, Prayag Uttar Pradesh में according to Prayag inscription composed by Hari Sen. Samudragupta on his expedition towards south passed through the dense forest of Madhya Pradesh, conquered some rulers ruling inside the forest. He also depicts that all 9 states were defeated by Samudragupta in Aryavrat, नॉर्थ इंडिया टेरिटरी. समुद्रगुप्त ने सारे स्टेट्स को डिफीट किया था आर्यव्रत में, कॉल्ड नागवंशी, गणपति नाग और नागसेना ऑफ पवाया, पद्मावती, ग्वालियर. द अबीर ऑफ विदिशा, संकनेक, झांसी, खारपरिक, दमोह were local ruling tribes of MP. He defeated the local Shaka governor of Vidisha, Sridhar Varman, and founded a victorial monument in Aran. Ramgupta Kanch, some coins named Kanch, Samudragupta का another name, have also recovered from Vidisha. चंद्रगुप्त II का क्या है? विक्रमादित्य 375 से 415 AD. The greatest Gupta king Chandragupta II is assumed to be a famous and popular Ujjaini king Vikramaditya, about whom various myths are practiced in the region. Chandra II owned the title of Vikramaditya and was called as Shakari Dhav Devraj. Achievements of Chandragupta are as follows. He ruined out Shaka's Ujjain completely from India and owned the title as Shakari. Reference is given in Devi Chandraguptam as compiled by Vishaka Datta. According to the text, the Gupta king Ramgupta was defeated by a Shaka king and was ready to hand over his wife Dhru Swamini to Shaka ruler. But the Devi Chandra attacked on Shaka, killed him, and after that also killed Ramgupta. His brother, then the Chandragupta II, declared himself as the Samrat king of Gupta dynasty. Chandragupta announced Ujjain as the capital for Gupta Empire. Mostly he seated in Ujjain with Navratna. 9 eminent scholars विक्रमादित्य के कौन कौन थे? कालिदास, बेताल भट्ट, बारामहीर, वारारुचि, अमर सिंह, धनवंतरी, घटकपाल, Shapnak, and Shanku. According to the Sanchi inscription of his commander Amrakadev, Chandragupta halted at Sanchi with his army chief on the way to a military expedition against Shakas. Fahian, a Chinese Buddhist traveler, visited Malwa during his reign over here. Kumar Gupta is basically, according to Dashpur praise, Mandsaur inscription, Bandhu Varma, local governor of Kumar Gupta I, successor to Chandragupta, granted financial aid to Weaver Guild for Sun Temple in Mandsaur. स्कंदगुप्त क्या कर रहा है? Another great Gupta king, Skandagupta Vikramaditya, also associated with Madhya Pradesh in following terms. When he was busy against Hunas in a great war at Sindhu Bank, the Wakatak ruler Narendra Sen captured Malwa. But after returning to Patliputra, the Skandagupta occupied the region again. Copper inscriptions were recovered from Indore depict a fact that Skandagupta grants on aid to a guild of oil manufacturers, Teli Shreni. फिर Bhanugupta 500 AD, a later Gupta ruler named as Bhanugupta finds his place in the history of Madhya Pradesh as described in the Aran inscription. That is, one of the military men Gopiraj was killed in a military expedition. The wife of Gopiraj also sacrificed her life as Sati. Notable facts: Gupta dynasty. The Shaka power in India was completely crushed down by the Chandragupta Vikramaditya 410 AD. Chandragupta II was entitled as the master of two world's best cities, Ujjain and Patliputra. Samudragupta defeated Mahendra, a king of Mahakaushal. First Gupta king conquered eastern Malwa was Chandragupta II. First Gupta king conquered western Malwa was Kumargupta I. Temples of Gupta architect style is Vishnu Temple, Tigwa, Jabalpur, Shiv Temple, Bhumra and Kho, Parvati, Nachna Kuthar, Ajaygarh में, Buddhist Temple Sanchi, some remains of the temple structure Sakor, Round, Kundalpur, Hath, Damoh. ये सारी सिचुएशन है. अब हुनास एंड एमपी और ये सब हम अगले वीडियो में पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग.